What's going on, Salvage Secrets followers? This is Andre, and I wanted to wish you guys Happy New Year from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope I brought you guys some value. I hope you learned a lot of things, and I want to wish you guys a healthy and prosperous 2021. I know 2020 was like a really hard year for a lot of people. I hope the new year is going to be much better. I wish you guys health, prosperity, and I wish you guys to finally stop losing money on your cars. I hope you finally gonna stop leasing and buying new cars. And speaking of that, I have something really exciting I wanted to share with you guys, and this is my brand new training I'm gonna be doing on January 11th at 2 o'clock, and it's called How to Drive Your Dream Car for Free and Even Make Money Without Talking to a Car Salesman Ever Again. And in this training, I'm gonna be covering three main keys. The first one is the only way to get 50% off your car and finally stop losing money. So as most of you guys know, I've been buying and selling cars for over 15 years, and a lot of people ask me questions about buying cars, selling, salvage cars. A lot of them I covered in my videos and in my Facebook group, but I'm gonna lay out the whole process from A to Z. How to start, what to do, and how this whole process of buying cars work. I will also talk about how to pull this off even if you're not a mechanic or you don't know much about cars. I'll tell you guys the best types of cars to buy in this case and what to do. And finally, I'm gonna answer the question, do you need a big budget to start? We're gonna talk about all this on January 11th. It's gonna be Monday at 2 o'clock. I'm gonna be doing this training live. It's gonna be no replay, so make sure you guys tune in. And I'm gonna leave a link below this video, and it's gonna take you to the registration page. It's gonna be held in our Facebook group. So if you're not a member of the group yet, you have to join. Request access. It's absolutely free. And again, guys, the training is gonna be on Monday, January 11th at 2 o'clock, and I'll see you guys there. Make sure you mark your calendars, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care. Happy New Year. All the best to you in 2021. Peace.